This top rack is from a brand called Moto Torque, and it costs you around 2500 for MRP, and I bought it on offline, so it cost me around like 2200. This also an option to add a backrest, which costs you an additional 800. Since I don't need it, I didn't bought it. So coming to the specification, it is powder coated, so it's not gonna rust easily, and it can hold up to like 7 kgs. I think so. We can also attach top box, since there are some holes here. I don't know whether we can attach or not. Maybe you can try. So the main advantage of this top rack is it can be attached along with the saddle stay, which is stock one. Okay, this one is from the stock saddle stay from the Honda Big Wing showroom itself, and as you can see, like, it is easy to attach both of this. Since if you are not having this saddle stay, you can attach like any brand. There is no need to like check if it supports both saddle stay and top rack. You can add any top rack from the market, since there are multiple top racks available. And if you have a top rack and saddle stay, this is the only brand which I found it to be working perfectly. Okay, so if you want to, the procedure to attach this top rack is, first you have to loosen this one. Actually, I lost the rubber here, like this. Okay, you have to loosen this one, and you have to loosen this one. Okay, once you have done this, you have to loosen the grab rail also, and then you have to attach this. There are 2 points holding it. One is, actually this is for the sari guard. Okay, I have removed the sari guard. It looks good now. This one is the first point, and the second point is here. Okay, so 2 points holding the top rack. Actually, they will give every screws and everything you need. Actually, you only need a Allen key. They won't provide you a Allen key in the box itself for the top rack. And once you have removed both of this, attached it, then also after that go to that side. It's the same procedure here. Remove this one, and this one. Okay, and then attach it. Once you have done it, it will be like without the top rack. Okay, these bottom two parts will be there. You have to just hug this together. If you can see it from under, you have to just hug it together and then put the screws. I think so you need 2 of them to attach this, since it will be not possible to just hug this together and attach this, since it will like very spreaded along. So you have to, one person has to hold, and another person also put the top rack on top and put the screws down. So I think it's a pretty good quality. This is the only addition I have added to the bike apart from the saddle stay. So thanks for watching.